A to Z Graphology, Concept, Pen Flick and Pen Stop. Hi and good day to you all. This is Zubin Vevaina, graphologist and founder of A to Z Graphology. Stay in touch with our work in the field of graphology using the links provided here. Graphology is the science of knowing and understanding the human thought process through handwriting. This science is based on geometry, physics, and human anatomy. Handwriting analysis is the art of expressing graphology. Science is based on certain measurements, facts, and figures, and this remains quite consistent, whereas an art form is highly dependent upon creativity and flexibility. We do provide a platform for any person who is willing to learn the science of graphology and practice the art of handwriting analysis. We teach the science and the student practices the art form. Graphotherapy is about using the science of graphology to change a person's thought process with specific handwriting techniques so as to bring about a positive change. A person who learns graphology can use the techniques to heal personal problems related to finance, relationships, health, academics, and even career. This healing process through handwriting is called graphotherapy. In this video today, I shall be explaining one of the many concepts in graphology. Today's concept is called pen flick and pen stop. Pen flick. The simple word pen means writing instrument and flick means careless movement. Combining these two simple words, we get the definition careless movement of pen. Pen flick means careless movement. When we see careless movement of pen in our handwriting, it is going to be termed pen flick. When we see careful movement of the pen, proper halting of a pen stroke, it will be called pen stop. Observe these two diagrams right here. There are two simple strokes going from the left to the right. The stroke 1 has a strong starting point and a weak ending point, whereas stroke 2 has a starting stroke and ending stroke with the same ink density. This difference in the starting and ending makes a difference in pen flick and pen stop. The starting point and ending point, whenever changes, it shows change in energy of a thought. Pen flick shows that the energy of a thought has reduced. It has been stretched, it has weakened, whereas pen stop is showing that the thought has maintained its energy throughout its conscious presence. Let us have an example to understand this topic better. The letter T in the English alphabet, written over here, has got the same formations on the left and on the right. The T written on the left has a pen flicks and the T written on the right has got pen stop. Whatever the thought process be behind the letter T is same, but the end result or the finality of these thought process will be quite different. Now we shall go into a more detailed explanation of what actually happens when we see pen flicks in the handwriting. Our thoughts have got energy, and when a thought appears in our mind, it is pure in nature. It is very powerful, and this purity of energy ultimately brings about manifestation. The pen flick shows decrease in the energy of a thought during its presence in the human conscious mind. In the beginning, a thought looks very promising and fresh, and it is with time and constant brain activity that the strength of the thought can be proven. In the case of pen flick, the time and constant brain activity seems to be weakening the thought. A simple thought of eating food has the end result of giving energy to the body. This end result is the key factor here. All of us eat food, but not all of us get the same energy. The pen flick can show us who is getting the energy and who is not. Pen flicks in our handwriting proves that our thoughts have weakened, and this leads to frustration, anger, a feeling of incompleteness, weakness, a crude expression of emotions, doubt, negativity, dissatisfaction, and an overall bad vibration around the person. When we initially explained that the thought has got energy, this energy is used for manifestation, and therefore, when the energy reduces, the power of manifestation or bringing the thought to reality becomes weak, and the end result is unpredictable. We shall explain this topic with a certain example a bit later. Now let's go to the proper explanation for pen stop. Here again, we'll take the consideration of every thought having energy. This energy is pure when the thought first appears in our mind. It is with time and constant brain activity that the strength of this thought can be proven. A pen stop in our handwriting proves that our thoughts have retained this strength. Retaining the strength of a thought from its original source is very powerful. Manifestation and bringing a thought to reality becomes much more easy. This leads to satisfaction, calmness, a feeling of completeness. It gives the person strength. There's a refined expression of emotion, faith, positivity, and an overall good vibration around the person. As we had mentioned before, the thought remains the same. It's just the end result that changes. Let's explain this with an example. We have two people here. One is John and one is Sam. John has got pen flicks in his handwriting and Sam has got mostly pen stop. An example where John and Sam both fall sick, they both go to the same doctor, they both are prescribed the same medicine. The doctor tells them that they will be fine within a week. John has the medicine and Sam has the medicine. Now let us think about it a bit. What is the meaning of having medicine? What is the expected end result? The expected end result of having medicine is that we get cured of our ailment and feel fine. We should feel healthier. Now when John has the medicine, the pen flick is showing that there is going to be an unexpected end result. And since it's a weakening stroke, it shows that this unexpected end result is mostly negative. John takes time to get healing. Maybe the medicine don't work, or there could be even side effects. Whereas Sam gets his healing as prescribed and feels alright. The medicine was same, the doctor was same, and the ailment was same. Why did John not get the correct healing, and why did Sam get healed correctly? The pen flick and pen stop shows that in the handwriting. It's all because of the initial thought losing its power and intensity. This was the topic of pen flick today. Pen stop also is a very powerful topic and it will be elaborated further on. Watch out for more videos regarding these two topics and the details that we can see through handwriting. This is Zubin Vevaina from A to Z Graphology. Thank you.